Welcome back students. In this video tutorial, we will see section A type questions of string functions. First question, write a Java statement to convert string ICSC into capital letters. To convert into capital letters, we can have string dot to uppercase of function. So we can write ICSC, that is as given in the double quotation, that is a string dot to uppercase of, and then we terminate this. I have a class called test to execute all the codes of questions. So let us now write the statement dot to uppercase of. See here, you should be very careful. Here three words are there. The first word is with small letter, and then the second word, when it starts, it will be in uppercase. Again the third word, it starts in uppercase. So we will have two uppercase of like this, and then we have to print this, otherwise we won't get the output. So let us print this. So compile this, no syntax error. So you can see it is been converted. So instead of giving string in double quotation there, we can also initialize and then we can give the variable name there. For example, string s I am giving is equal to, it may be also user input. So if user gives ICSC, then we can give here the just name of the string, that is s dot. So let us compile this also, no syntax error. So you could see again ICSC. So both the way you can do. Let us see second question. What will be the output of the following Java codes? String s1 is equal to big, string s2 equal to book. So printing statement, s1 dot concat of s2 dot replace of o character to e character. So this will print s1 is big, so it will have big dot concat of s2 dot replace of o to e. So wherever o is there, it will be replaced with e. So it will become big dot concat of beak. So o, both the o's are replaced with e, and then both are concat together. So big beak it will become. I will delete this code and then paste that code here. So compile this, no syntax error. So big beak, you can see the output. Third question, what is the output of the following code snippet? String str is equal to mousepad, string str1 is equal to touch screen, string str2 is equal to str1 dot substring of 0, 5 dot concat of string, that is str dot substring of 6. Then printing statement str2 is printing. So we have to calculate str2, what it is. str1 dot substring of 0, 5. 0, 5 means, so it will start from 0th index up to 4th index, it will take all the characters. So here str1 is touch screen. So here if you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to 4 characters it will take. So this will become touch dot concat of str dot substring of 6. See here only 1 is given. So from that index whatever is there, everything will be taken. str is mousepad. So let us count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 starts from P. So from P remaining everything will come. So it will be touch dot concat of pad. So both together will be answer as touchpad. Please note, even a space also a character here. So again I delete this code. So I pasted that code. So let us compile this, no syntax error. So you can see touchpad as the result. Let us go to fourth question. What will be the output of the following Java codes again? String p is equal to table. So printing statement, table which is with small t here given, dot equals ignore case of p. We should know the output data type of this function. It will return true or false, that is Boolean type. Table is equal to table when it ignores case with small t here. So it will be true. Copy it here, compile, no syntax error. So it is true. Next question. What could be the data type of variable z and what will be stored in it? String x is cell phone, y is iPhone, and then z is equal to x dot compare to y. Compares to returns integer data type after comparing. Both the strings will be compared lexicographically, that is as per the dictionary. To compare, it will consider the ASCII code of starting letters of the words. If both are different letters, and then it will take ASCII value, or it will compare the next letter of word. Here ASCII value of capital C is 67, and then ASCII value of small I, that is 105. So the difference between these two, that is 67 minus 105, will be minus 38. So I am deleting this code and then pasting that. Compile this, no syntax error. So minus 38 is the answer. Let us go to next question. If string A is alpha, string B is alpha raise, C is equal to B dot compare to A. What will be stored in C? Again you can see compare to function, but here it is little bit different from the previous case. All the characters of first string is available in the next string, and then little more characters are also there. In this case, it will check the length of the given strings and then it gives the difference. Here B is compared to A. So B's length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then A's length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the difference will be B minus A, that is 10 minus 5 will be 5. So I compile this. So you can see 5 as the answer. Next question. Variable called ch is declared as character data type. Write a Java statement to check and print whether the value assigned to ch is uppercase or not. So first of all, you have to be very careful. It is been asked to print here. So we will give system.out.println of. To check the character, we will have character dot is uppercase or lowercase. So here we are checking for uppercase. So we can say character dot is uppercase of ch. So here again you should be careful, u and c is capital. So ch is the variable already given in the question. So we will give that inside the bracket here. So I will delete the code, then paste it. So here it needs an input for that. So we will just assign a value here. char ch is equal to, let us say, just n. So it will say whether this n given is uppercase or not. Compile this, no syntax error. So that is false. instead of giving the variable here, we can also give the character directly. For example, I have given capital M. So let us check. So this is not required now. Compile, no syntax error. So that will be true now. So it is true. Next question. What will be the output data type of the following Java statement? S dot index of C, S dot character at N. So you wanted to give the output data type. Here this C may be some variable, it is not given in the statement, that is okay. So we have to mainly focus on index of. So index of some letter, it will be always integer type. And then same like that, character at N. So N again will be some number here. That will be index number of some string. So it will give character at that index. It will be giving the character as output type. So I will delete this. I will paste. So we need S. So what is S? Let us give S is equal to, that is string S. String S is equal to, I will give December. December. So if C is variable, we have to give character C is equal to, let us have M. So I should also need N. So let me give int N is equal to 6. We also need to print this, otherwise we won't have the output. So I will print. So let me copy this. So compile this, no syntax error. So 4 and E. So you can know output data type is integer here and then character there. So let us see the next question. Write a Java snippet to print first letter of each word of string st. Value of st is not given, but it is a string type. It may have many words. So we have to print first letter of each word. So how do we differentiate as a word? When there is a space. So in the beginning, most probably no one will be giving space to start a sentence. So we will add one space before a word or a string. So st is equal to one space then plus st. So after that space, whatever the first letter is there, we can easily extract it. So we need a for loop. So we will write from the first index we need. So I is equal to 0, I is lesser than st dot length minus 1, I plus plus. Why I have given minus 1 means, if there is a space, the next letter to it is going to be printed. So we will give I plus 1 to print. So when I is the last index, then it can't go beyond that, it will give out of bounds error. So for that purpose I had given minus 1 here. Then if st dot character at I is space, then we will print system dot out dot println of st dot character at I plus 1 as I said. So let us copy this code and execute. So I will delete the code, then paste it. So here I have st, but I don't have input for this. So I will just initialize with some value is equal to Java virtual machine. So let us compile this. So it should print J, V and M. So you could see JVM, it is printed. Next question, write a Java statement to check whether book has capital letter as its first letter. Here it is not been told to print, so just we need to write a Java statement to check. To check whether the first letter is capital or not, we can give character dot is uppercase of we have to extract the first letter of this string. So for that we can give string dot character at 0 as the index. So we can give book inside the double quotation as a string dot character at 0. So we have to print, otherwise we won't be knowing the answer. System dot out dot print line of. So let us compile this. So that is false. In case if it is capital letter, let us check. Compile. So it says true. Students, I hope this is very useful for you to attend the section A questions. I will continue in the next session. Until then, thank you students.